What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I decided that I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day. Let me clear my throat. So I thought today would be a perfect day to do what I eat in a day because I'm going to be at my boyfriend's house all day. Nobody's going to be home except him and his uncle, but they won't be home till later, so I can film no problem, no distractions, because it's literally just me here with the dogs. So I thought this would be the perfect time to try and film this video. I've been trying to film this video for so many days now and I can never finish it just because usually at dinner time there's so many people around and I don't want to film with them there, but it'll just be Cole and I for dinner tonight, so I can obviously film in front of him because that's no problem. So I'm literally going to show you guys everything that I eat in a day. I am going to do a disclaimer that I am not the healthiest eater. I'm not going to be one of those girls that literally eats like one piece of bread with avocado toast on it, like avocado toast with avocado on it. I'm literally not like that. I just heated up some French toast sticks for breakfast, so those are literally just finished up in the air fryer right now. So I'm gonna get those and heat those, get those and get syrup and stuff like that. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below if you want me to do more of what I eat in a days, because I think these videos are so fun. I just have to try and finish them, so we'll see. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's get into what I eat. Okay guys, so I literally just heated up some French toast sticks, so here they are, if I can get them out. Shit, this is a lot harder with one hand. Okay, so I got me some French toast sticks and I put them in the, in the air fryer, literally the best. Now I'm gonna take some Aunt Jemima's syrup. And I like to put my syrup in a separate bowl because I don't like when they touch. So we're gonna do that. Put this away. Put it away. I'm not gonna show you inside the fridge because it's kind of messy, but it's okay. So this will be my first meal of the day. This is breakfast. It's currently 11 o'clock. So I don't know when I'll eat lunch. I'll probably wait for Cole to get home to eat some lunch. But I'm currently in the middle of editing a video and I have a soda already. So that is literally my breakfast this morning. So let me face this way because the lighting's better this way. So that's what I'm eating for breakfast, and I'll get back to you guys when I eat something else. Okay guys, so now it's lunchtime. I'm whispering because Cole's sister came over and stuff like that. But I'm making curly fries in the air fryer right now. Why does my face look so weird? And I'm waiting for them to be done, and I think I'm gonna have a chocolate chip muffin while I wait for those because I'm so freaking hungry. It is currently 2:38. I have to face this way for the good lighting. It's 2:38. So I'm making some curly fries as a snack, and then Cole and I are making spaghetti squash for dinner. So I'm excited about that, but that's the update. Okay guys, so my curly fries are out. Oh shit, almost dropped them. Are out of the air fryer, and now I'm gonna go watch Vampire Diaries with my boy over there. Over there, hello. And I'm gonna eat it on the couch. Okay guys, so Cole and I made dinner. We have spaghetti squash and some meat sauce, or more like meat with a little bit of sauce on it. But that's what we have going on. And this is gonna be our dinner. Dinner. Woo! So excited. I haven't had spaghetti squash in forever. What? Dessert. And dessert. We're gonna be making some chicks.
I thought I said thick. Some thick.
Some chicks. I had that on video. Our little chicks. They don't even look like chicks. He threw the packaging everywhere and they went flying. No. What are you doing that for?
So I make a bell cookie.
I can't. I cannot. Here's the finished product. Here's his. It looks like a mountain of meat.
Meat.
Here we go. Okay guys, so we just finished up dinner and my stomach hurts because I ate way too much food. But now we have our cookies there, and I already had one. But I'm gonna end the video here because that's literally everything I'm gonna be eating for the rest of the day. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.